Hello everyone, hope you all are fine. Today we are going to discuss a topic in ratio and proportion. So that is a topic that which is included in every exam, income and expenditure. Okay. So in this question, the ratio of the income and expenditure will be given, and the amount they save will be also given. We have to find what is their income or what is their expenditure. So now going to the theorem, the income of two persons are in the ratio A is to B and their expenditures are in the ratio C is to D. If each of them saves rupees X, then their incomes are given by. So this is same as that of the last video. Okay. When each ratios is increased by a certain number, what will be the equation? That equation is used in this problem also. So what will be the first income? The first income will be X into A into difference between the final ratios divided by the difference in the cross product of the ratios. And the second number, what we will do? X into B into difference between the final ratios divided by the difference between the cross product of the ratios. Now the question, the incomes of A and B are in the ratio 3 is to 2 and their expenditures are given 5 is to 3. If each saves rupees 2000, what is the income? Now you can see that it is the same type as of the last video. So the ratios 3 is to 2 and 5 is to 3 are the initial and final ratios. Now we will put the values. What all are given? A is to B is given. A is to B is given. Then what is given? It is given that they save rupees 2000. They save rupees 2000. So X is equal to 2000. Then what is the final video? The expenditure is equal to C is to D. Okay, these details will be given. So what will be the equation? Income one will be X into A into income's ratio is A is to B. So first income will be X into A into difference between the expenditure ratios, that is C minus D, divided by cross product of the ratios, that is A into D minus B into C. Now actually this becomes a part of these two incomes, X into C minus D divided by ED minus BC. So this into A gives income 1 and this into B gives income 2. Okay. B gives income 2. Actually the common value will be the same, X into C minus D divided by AD minus BC. Now we will do the problem. We will put the data in the given equation. Now what all are given in the equation questions? X is given, A is to B is given, C is to D is given. Now A is to B is equal to 3 is to 2. And what about C is to D? Final ratio of expenditure, that is 5 is to 3 and it saves 2000 rupees. So X is equal to 2000. Now what we have to, we will first find the common value, that is X into C minus D divided by ED minus BC we will find. So 2000 into 5 minus 3, that is 2, then divided by the cross product, difference between the cross products, that is 10, 5 into 2 minus 3 into 3, 9, that is 4000 we will get. Now what we have to do, the first income will be 4000 into A, that is 4000 into 3 will be the first value, that is equal to 12,000. And what will be the second value? 4000 into 2 will be the second value, that is 4000 into 2, that gives 8000 divided by 1, that is equal to 8000. So we got the two values. Okay, 12,000 and 8000 are the two incomes. The question is asked, you can directly substitute these values in the equation and you will get the answers in seconds. So please try to memorize that. Now in this question the incomes are asked. What if the expenditures are asked? If the expenditures are asked, we have to take the first ratio, that is income ratio. That is, if AB is the income and C is to D is a expenditure and X is given, what we will find? The first one will be X into C into, because expenditure we have to find. So, the first value of expenditure will be C into the difference between the income ratios, that is B minus A divided by AD minus BC. And what will be the second expenditure? We have to substitute C by D. Here when we look the equations, they are all same. If income is asked, we will take the expenditure ratio, and if the expenditure is asked, we will take the income ratio. Now what will be the expenditure? Expenditure number 2 will be, if AB is the income, then C is to D is expenditure, X is a savings. What we'll do? Expenditure 1 will be, E1 will be X into what we'll take? The expenditure, the ratio of the expenditure, first term, that is C into difference between the first ratio, that is B minus A divided by the difference between the cross product, that is AD minus BC. Okay, AD minus BC, sorry. Now what will be the second term? E2 will be X into the other term, that is D into B minus A divided by AD minus BC. So we can substitute whenever the expenditures are asked. I hope you guys have understood. If there is any doubt, please comment in the comment box. So in the next video, we'll discuss a different topic. Please try to see that, and I'll be discussing a previous question also. So if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and thank you for watching the video. Bye.